Hey, what is up? Welcome to the Crimson Engine. My name is Rubidium. Today we are looking at this light, a super powerful RGB 1x1 called the Luxli Timpani. One of my pet peeves in camera gear is when manufacturers give their units names like the LBX284-7XY. It means that you can't really remember what things are and recommend them or find out more about them. Luxli have done this really interesting thing where they've given all their lights the names of instruments in an orchestra. First there was the viola, the tiny little guy. Then there was a 10 by 2 inch that I have down here as my eye light called the cello. And finally we have arrived at the timpani, which if you're not fluent in orchestra is the kettle drums. I would have just called it the kettle drum, but hey, these guys are from Norway. You know, a lot of people own these smaller lights, trust their color science, are really impressed like I am with their ease of use and their adaptability. And now they're moving into larger units, and 1x1 is the next logical step. This isn't actually a 1x1, it's a 12 by 9.5 inch diode display. But this light is still, even if it's not 12 by 12 inches, it is super bright. It is 4300 lux at 3 feet. Compare that with a RE Sky Panel S30, which is I think 56 or 5900 lux at the same distance. But that's a $4,000 unit. This thing is $999. As I see it, the real strength of this light is its size and its control. Now, this thing is only like a finger thick. You can take it off the yoke, you can take it off the mount, and it is a really small thing. You can power it by direct current or by like a V-mount battery like I have here. And you could fit this in your briefcase. Look at it, it's tiny, tiny, tiny little light for the amount of output that it has. We're entering a new era of portable light mountable fixtures here that you know, you can pick this thing up with one hand, you can hold it, you can run with it. It has the same cool sort of bubble lens array over the LEDs, and this serves to focus each LED so that you get a lot more throw and less spread. If you do want spread and you want a softer diffuse light, it has this frosted perspex panel which fits down over the array. So the Timpani has 4 basic modes. It has your standard bicolor from tungsten to daylight. Then it has this almost Photoshop-like hue saturation brightness display where you can pick the exact color you want. Its third mode is its filter mode, where you can pick all these wonderfully named filters like Tokyo Blue or Pale Amber Gold. And finally, it has an effect mode where it gives you the same kind of effects that you get on the sky panels, like fire, police siren, paparazzi, lightning, fireworks. But unlike the sky panels, these are really easy to access. You can customize them. I mean, for example, you can pick 3 different strengths of fire. You can pick, you know, candle, campfire, or bonfire. And then you can also pick the type of wind. So it can be a breeze, windy, or a full-on storm, where it gives you really, you know, a really rapid flash of the different fire effects. And this gets down to the real strength of the Luxli lights, is that they have this almost cell phone-like display at the back of the unit, where, you know, it's full color. You can use these lots of different selection keys to really dial in what you want and get to it quickly. It's not like the Kinos or the RE lights where you have to go down through 9-10 different menus and use the same jog shuttle to select everything. This full color screen gives you, you know, way more control, much more ease of use. The one I have came in a kit. It also came with this collapsible softbox that includes an egg crate. It has these weird little magnets on the side that keep getting stuck to other things in my studio, so I have to remember to pack it away. But it does serve to expand and soften the light significantly, so you could still definitely use this unit for a standard interview setup or to light a face, as I do here. That's my look at the Luxli Timpani. I really hope they keep this trend going. I really hope they release a 2x1 foot bigger source next. I would grab that in a heartbeat. But you know, they really just keep surprising us with these lights from Norway with you know, probably the industry leading LED in the back for really precise control. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Leave your questions in the comments. I will see you next time.